Hi everybody, I'm just going to do a quick review of Premier Gel. This is December's review, and as you can see, I've got many different things here. I have got Premier Gel Hard Gel, which is in a bottle. This is Builder Gel. This is I can't remember what color the name of it is, but it's quite a dark pink, bright pink color. Then I have Cover Pink, and I have Clear somewhere. Yep, that's this. That's the Clear, and that's also Builder Gel as well. I have, and you've seen me use these on my designs. This is Rubber Top Coat, and this is, well, that's Rubber Top Coat. I'll show it to you. Rubber Top Coat, Matte Top Coat, and then we have Rubber Base. Not sure you can see that or not. It is Rubber Base. And then I have one color at the minute, and that is Salute, which is a khaki green color. I'm just going to swatch these real quick. And I've got my little popsicle sticks here. First off, this is really easy to go on here, and as I spread it on to the nail, it self levels. So I really like that. There we go. Just gonna pop that into the lamp. That is the bright pink. This is the Cover Pink. as you can see, as I'm going up the nail, it's self-leveling itself. Now, if you do it to someone else's nails, I would recommend turning it upside down for a minute so it will help level. Just gonna check this. So it needs a little bit more over here. Pink is done. Okay, I give them all a quick buffing and filing, well, quick filing and buffing, should say. And now I'm just going to give them a quick wipe before I put the top coat on. This one I'm going to put this on there, the khaki green gel. Just going to put the rubber top coat on the pink one and the matte top coat on this one. This is the rubber top coat. As you can see, it's quite thick. You don't need a lot. There we go. And matte top coat. The rubber base coat is just like the rubber top coat, except it is sticky once you put it on. The rubber top coat is it's non-stick. It doesn't stick. It is non-wipe. But the base coat is a wipe top coat. The matte top coat is also a non-wipe top coat. So this was the matte top coat. I'm going to pop that into the lamp in a minute. I'm going to pop this base coat onto this one so you can see it. It all goes on really well. You don't need a lot. It is very adhesible. And I really do like this Premier Gel. Okay, I'm going to pop that into the lamp. Put those in there for 30 seconds. Okay, there we go. But there's the non-wipe top rubber top coat and the non-wipe matte top coat. So I'm going to put this color gel on here. It's highly pigmented, so you don't need very much. You can put 2 coats if you like, but it doesn't really warrant 2 coats unless you want a darker color. There we are. Just going to pop that into the lamp for 30 seconds. I think I will put the matte top coat on that one as well because it looks like it probably needs that. Okay. Now let's put this matte top coat on here. Color Pink, and that's Builder Gel. The clear Builder Gel, the matte top coat, the rubber top coat, and the rubber base coat. And then, of course, we have got the color gels, and Salute is the one I've got here. I'm going to get some more, but this one I really like, and I'll be using that this spring. But here are the results. So all in all, they're a brilliant price, they're a great quality, and I would use them constantly. I do use the top coats and base coats quite often, and I hope you try it. If you haven't tried it before, I'm sure a lot of people have because it is a very popular gel, a very popular line of nail polishes. So if you haven't tried it, go try it, and you can get it from Premier Gel. It's premiergel.com. So go to have a look and let me know what you think. Okay, that's it for my review for this month. My next review will be Revel, excuse me, Revel dip powders, and I'll be showing you that in January. So, meantime, have a wonderful Christmas, everybody, and take care. Bye-bye.